Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn how to create 3D pop-out images absolutely free. Firstly, go to microsoftbing.com. Click on Search. Click on Images. Then click on Create. It will take you to this page. Write your prompt here. This prompt is available in description. After finishing your prompt, click Create. It provides you with 4 results. Click on an image to see it. You can download any image that looks suitable according to your prompt. Now, let's create using the same prompt for a man running. This is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.